Hey Buster. Okay, so day one in the new garage. Trying to start the setup by building a bench. So got some wood. I've actually got an old bed frame from the move, so I'm just going to use that, and I've picked up these couple of scrap bits just for some legs. Got the dog ready. Yeah, so let's start. It's actually a carport, and I've got loads of junk, including bits from the bike builds. So here we go. Let's start setting up the garage. Okay, so I've gone through all the wooden bed slats and taken off all the staples. Taken off all the staples and the bits of string stuff that hold it together. So they're all clean. And I've got my sketch. So that's how it's going to go. I don't have any wood for the actual top or the shelf at the moment, but I've got these for some legs. Got screws. Got the dog looking over it. Got a beer. Happy days. Okay, so we have first frame all screwed together, so that is ready to go. So that'll be our top of the bench. Now just got to knock another one together at the bottom. Stanley, what do you think? For those that might be wondering if I have any clue as to what I'm doing, I don't. Measure once, cut twice, is that what they say? Okay, there's the napkin paper design. Da, 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 da. Here she is. Framework's all done. Several beers down. A couple of mismeasurements, but she's pretty good. And she's nice and stable. So I think we just need to, I've got a little extra piece in here for the vise, so I can screw the vise into a nice solid piece in there. And I think now that we've got it together, it's a bit wobbly here, so it doesn't twist or push end to end, but here it's got a bit of wobble. So we're going to put a brace on here like that tomorrow when the shops are open and we can get some wood. So I don't want to use this big chunky wood, I want to keep that, so I'm just going to get some more thin pieces like this to put the brace on, and obviously get a piece of ply to put on the top and on the shelf at the bottom. So that's it, that's the night's work. And there's Mike. Okay, day 2, Stanley, what's your thoughts? Well, so far he's tried to pee on it, so don't know, maybe that's a success. So we've got the framework together. We've got a big sheet of chipboard and cut the top, screwed it in, going great guns, and currently clamping the this will be the shelf piece. So we've just got a straight rule on here to try and keep the saw on a straight edge, but this will just be for the shelf anyway, so it'll be fine, so I'm not too worried. But yeah, it's coming along great. The only thing at the moment is and I suppose someone who knows what they're doing would have known this from the start, but it's got a bit of a wobble, like I mentioned earlier, this side, so I think I might end up just bracing. I think I said that last night. Anyway, I'll get around to that later. But yeah, the top's on, shelf's coming along. Now I've just got a saw all the way down this edge. Good times. Okay, we are finally complete with our table workbench to start setting up a new garage. Here she is. I'm not going to bother painting it because I can't be stuffed. And it's got like a laminate top, and you know, these bits of wood that I found for the legs I've got a laminate on them, so I'm not going to bother trying to paint it because I don't really care. It's just going to be covered in spray paint and scuffs and holes anyway. So yeah, there it is. Great.